So a really quick tip for you is to copy the URL of your LinkedIn profile and add it to a copy of your CV. So the reasons we would do this is to make the lives of recruiters or anybody looking at your CV a lot easier. So they can just click the link to your profile and they don't have to type in your name, they don't have to do a search, they don't try and have to figure out who you are. They just click the link and then they land directly on your profile. So it's really quick and really easy. You just copy your profile URL. So you right click, copy, and then pop to your CV. So on your CV, you'll have your contact details, such as your phone number, your email address, or your address. So what we do is we go to the very top of the doc or the bottom, wherever your details are, and just right click and paste. Now that's a little bit small, so I'll just center it and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And that's it. You have your lovely URL link on your CV to make everybody's lives a lot easier so you can be found really quickly on LinkedIn.